Can you take out the pacifier? Take out the pacifier. Take out the pacifier. Take out the pacifier, or I'll throw it in the paper shredder. You have 3 pacifiers? It's a little much. Can you take out the pacifier? Boop! Oh! Boop! Boop! Now let's read. Noisy farm animal? Hey, we don't need those. What does the fuzzy duck say? Oh, oh, oh. You want this? Okay, first read. What does the fuzzy duck say? Oh. No! How are you going to be able to tell me what the fuzzy duck says if you have a pacifier in your mouth? What does the fuzzy duck say? You see? It doesn't work at all. Take the pacifier out and tell me what the fuzzy duck says. If you know what's good for you, young lady. What does the fuzzy duck say? Fuzzy duck! What does the fuzzy duck say? What does the fuzzy duck say? What does the fuzzy duck say? Quack, quack. I'll give you that one. What does the woolly lamb say? Bah! Come on, bah! No, sticking with this one. What does the brown cow say? It's not too bad. It starts with an M though. Moo. 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 Okay, let's move on. What does the pink piggy say? That's weak. That's pathetic. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Alright, we'll move on again. What does the billy goat say? You're not even trying. Ma. Ma. You're not even trying. Can you say ma? This is it. If you don't get this last one right. What does the red rooster say? Thank you. That was very nice.
Mama. Baby.